Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language on Slack. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're starting to use Slack and you want to go ahead and change the language to something that's native. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Slack. Then click on your profile picture on the bottom left-hand corner, then click on Preferences. Afterwards, go ahead and click on where it says Language and Region. And then underneath Language, this is where you could actually choose a language that's specific on Slack. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your language on Slack. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.